You guys, I don't even know what the heck texture this is. You can see I'm like touching it like, what the hell? I thought it was going to be straight hair. Then I thought it was Yaki straight hair. Right here, I was so confused, honey. I was like, what is this? But it actually turned out to be curly hair. You guys will see in just a moment, okay?
Back home, I'm no president, I'm Obama. Hey, I condone the drama. Hey, I tongue down Madonna. Hey, do you need pajamas? Yeah, you stay in the night, girl, you promised it. I hide in the cave like Osama did. I'm blowing the bag in the diamond district. You need me like dollars that are roll to you. Yeah, money and me are the same, but I just don't fall for you. Yeah, run me your body, I put a range on the road for you. I don't know what you were told, but I ain't mad at you, baby.
I mean, where the fuck should I really even start? I got hoes that I'm keeping in the dark. I got my niggas across the street living large. Thinking back to the fact that they dead, thought my raps on the facts, they sat with the bars. I got 2 phones, one need a charge. Yeah, they twins, I can tell they ass apart. I got big packs coming on the way. I got big stacks coming out the state. Got a little mix with me either way. It's a big gap between us and the game. The next life I'm trying to stay paid. I die, put my money in the when I die, put my money in the grave. I really gotta put a couple niggas in their place. Really gotta slap every nigga in a race. I really might tap realest nigga on my face. Lil CC, let it slap with the bass. I used to stay hoes with a mask and a cape. Now I'm like, nah, love, I'm good, go away. Ain't about to die with no money out of gave. I was on top when that shit meant a lot. Still on top, I'm scared of the pop. Still on top, these niggas wanna swap. Niggas wanna swap like a sauce in a box. I don't wanna change cause I'm good where I'm at. Mom, so I'm always good where I'm at. Junior, Jasmine, DJ. When I got my money in
This one is for the boys with the booming system. Top down AC with the cooling system. When he come up in the club, he be blazing up. Got stacks on deck like he's saving up. And he ill, he real, he might got a deal. He pop bottles and they got the right kind of bill. He cold, he dope, he might sell. He always in the air, but he never flies out.
Okay, you guys, so I know exactly what you're thinking. Is that the same wig that we saw earlier? Yes. Your reaction to this wig and my reaction, the same. Okay, literally I was so blown away and shocked when I wet this hair. So look, when I first pulled this hair out of the packaging, as you guys saw, like the wig was like this big poofy afro. I wasn't sure what texture it was. It was really weird, and I'm just like, what the heck did I order, or what did they send me? Now when I first seen it inside of like just the plastic, you know, the clear plastic bag that most of your hair comes in, when I saw that, I thought that it was going to be a straight wig. And then when I seen the texture, I was like, well, maybe it's like a Yaki straight texture, and I just don't remember ordering this with them. I don't know. So once I finished bleaching the knots on this unit, I went ahead and I started rinsing the bleach out. And when I was rinsing the bleach out, I noticed that the hair started getting like a little wave pattern to it. Once I completely wet this hair though, when I was rinsing the bleach out, it turned into the most beautiful curl pattern, which is this right here. And I was so shocked because it was like, what was, so how did the hair come from that to this? Was it a mistake? Did they blow dry the hair out before they sent it to me? I do not know. Now another thing, I don't want to come too close to the light because I don't want the light to like blind it out too much, just so y'all can see what I'm talking about. You see what we working with. We're so melted out here, like, but you guys can get a good view of my lace and everything, and I'll show you guys on this side too. As I'm sure you guys saw, this side over here I didn't put any baby hair, no products or anything like that. So this side is what your hair would look like if you were to just apply the unit and not put anything on it, no baby hairs or nothing. And this is how the lace melts on this side, just so you guys can get a good look at it. And then over here we have a little bit of baby hair action under there. I thought this was really cute. You guys see I've been doing this little curly cute baby hair or sideburn curl, I don't know. And today, you guys, I did use some foam in my hair. I used the Cream of Nature Argan Oil Foaming Mousse. So I did use that in my hair today. My hair is actually still wet. It's not super wet, but it is wet in certain places. But I did that because I did want more of a tamed look. I didn't want like really big curly hair like how I had in the beginning of this video. I wanted to make sure that my hair was more laid, more slicked down to the side. But yeah, you guys, I really like this bob. As you guys see, I've been doing a lot of short looks. You guys know long hair is definitely more so like my comfort zone. I really love long hair. Like, I just love long hair. But I know some of you guys do like the shorter looks, and because it is a summertime, we do want to keep it very light and airy. So that's why I wanted to make sure that I did bring you guys a couple of cute bobs for the summer. As you guys saw, I did cut a couple of inches off of this unit. It was longer than this, but I did cut it. I haven't received any like crazy shedding with it. The curl pattern is great when it dries. As you guys see, this is what the hair looks like with mousse. And just in general, like, look at this hairline. You see the unit is single knotted, so that's what makes it look so natural like this, and it just looks good all the way around. Like, I have no complaints. It's almost very hard to believe, like, it's hard to believe that this came from that, okay? Because baby, let's be honest here. It was a little sketch. It was a little sketch in the beginning. But I do want to give a big shout out to Geniuswigs for working with me in today's video. I really enjoyed this unit. Definitely was a eye-opener to some of the units. So if you guys get a wig and it looks like a fro, wet it and see maybe if it turns curly. I don't know. I'm just still curious as to why it came as an afro, but then when I wet it, it turned into this. And I wonder, like, if you guys order this wig, come back to this video and let me know if you received your wig in like an afro type of style, and then when you wet it, it turned like this. Let me know if your wig already comes like curly like this, or if you get the afro, because honey, I'm curious. I want to know what's tea with this wig, for real, for real. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I hope you guys really enjoyed this install. If you did, let me know by liking the video. Let me know how you guys feel about this hair. Have you ever tried Genius hair before? Let me know what your experience was. Shout out to Genius Wigs for sponsoring this video, and I'll see all of you guys in my next one. Bye.